Hi, Graeme from Carbatec HQ. Veritas manufacture an extensive range of specialty planes. And today I'd like to step you through a number of those. So here we have the Veritas router plane. The ideal tool for through and step dados and trenches. This plane features a unique spring-loaded blade locking collar, an adjustable depth stop, and a fine feed depth adjustment. Now it comes with two blades, the 1/2 inch straight blade and the pointed 1/2 inch. In use, it's similar to where you would use an electric router, but without all the noise and with far more control. The Veritas Czech rubber plane is a tool that's been especially designed to make easy work out of large rebates and bevel panels. It has several unique design features that make this the tool of choice for these jobs. This plane features a Norris-style adjuster with infeed, outfield and lateral adjustment, blade locating grub screws, an inset adjustable mouth. The blade is flush with both edges of the plane. A cam adjustable scoring blade for sharp edged rebates. The adjustable fence can be mounted on both sides of the plane. And the plane tote is fully adjustable for both comfort and the job at hand. The Veritas Combination plane was inspired by combinations of old, yet designed from the ground up. It is precisely machined, quick to adjust, and holds settings securely, making it reliable in use. The two-part design of the plane, with the main body and a separate sliding section, lets you accommodate blades of different shapes and sizes, from 3mm up to 25mm wide. The plane features independently adjustable feet that are found on both sides of the blade for depth setting. There are two adjustable scoring spurs, one on each side. The adjustable fence can be positioned for use on either side of the plane body. Then by locking the fence in position, you are able to fine-tune with independent micro adjustment. Although you can shoot with many other planes, Veritas have designed a shooting plane specifically for this purpose. You'll note in the design of this plane that the sole of the plane with the blade faces the side. The blade is also set at a skew angle of 20 degrees, giving a sheer cut and superb finish with less resistance and effort. Like other Veritas planes, the shooting plane features a Norris-style lateral and depth adjustment, along with an adjustable toe that's housed in the plane body. The low center of gravity and long base make this plane a joy to use.